All right, so we're gonna go ahead and test all these engines to see which engines works and which ones need work. Got a whole lot of them. So the first one we're gonna test is this Hero. Our contacts are a little dirty, but let's test to see if he works. Oh, he works. And the battery terminal is still strong. So we're gonna make a non-working pile. This will be the working pile and this will be the non-working pile. So let's keep on going. Next up we got a Tomy Playrel James. So let's see if he works. Up. Corrosion, so non-working pile. Next we got another Tomy Hero, so let's go ahead and screw him and see what he got going on. Battery contacts have a little corrosion, but see if he works. Oh, he works. But he's making a little clicking sound. But he works. And I'm gonna be using this for parts or something in projects. I'm gonna use this for parts. So next up we got is this James with the coach. So let me grab 2 extra batteries on my table. So I had to grab 2 extra batteries. Okay. I think one of the wires might be broken, but let's go ahead and test this. Let's go ahead and test. Oh, I forgot that coach takes AAAs. So we're gonna put that one as non-working. Next up, we're gonna have Spencer, and I'm gonna go faster than this. So now we're gonna test him, see if he works. Nope. Oh, he works. That's a good gear. So he works. Oh, did not mean to do that. So this is the yeah. Let me move these over. Non-working pile, and this is the working pile. Stop squishing. These are my ones. So sorry about that. So now let's keep going. Next up is this Talking Action James. I hope this one is a different version from the other one. Trying to get it off. Come on. Come on. Trying not to snap it. Trying not to break the model. Hold on, let me do this off camera. Got it off. We got it off. And it has a little bit of batteries in it. Let's go ahead and get these out. Let's go ahead and get these out. Ugh. But the battery contacts are still good, so let's go ahead and test it, see if he works. So he works. He works. And this is my second Talking Action James. So we're gonna put him there. This Henry switch, so I'm gonna cop that as non-working. This Henry No wires, so this one won't work because it has no wires. Edge work, see if he works. Oh, he works. His gear is good. So he works, so we're gonna put him there. Now next is James. He works. See, there might be something wrong with the gear on the inside, but I'm gonna replace the gears. Next up, this Gordon. One of the couple rods is broken and the switch is broken, so that one won't work either. This Henry, wires have been pulled away, so let's see if he works though. Yeah, he works. Now onto this Henry. Okay. He doesn't work. Now onto this little car. I forgot what this car was called. Let's go and get it off. This one may have a battery, but get that battery. Battery contacts are good, so let's see if it works. Oh, it works. I don't really know what this car is, but let me know in the comments what it is. Stop sending me that video. Now next what we got is this hero. And some of the screws are rusted, so we're gonna see what we can do about it. And this one has corrosion, but we're gonna test it anyway. Oh, it's waking up a little bit. Yeah, it works. And this Spencer traction tire is off, but we're going to take it apart anyway to see if it works. And this one has a battery in it. Get that battery out of there. So we're gonna bend it a little bit. Yep. Well, it works, but we need to fix that traction tire. So from there. Now onto this James. No, he worked. Now on to Duncan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, turns out the battery terminal done broke off, so I'll have to replace it. I got replacement, so I don't have to worry. I know this Duncan does work though. And it has a slipping gear, so we need to fix that. Now on to Connor. See if he works. Oh, he works. Feel like it's rocket power. He works. And I'm gonna make a custom out of this. We're gonna put them there, working section. This top connection, James, is not gonna work, so we're gonna have to put them in that non-working section. Now onto these Tobys. Now I think these Tobys speak Japanese. Yeah, these do speak Japanese, so. And we won't be able to test this one because this one has corrosion and no battery. One of them has no battery contact and it just broke off. So we're gonna put that one off to the side. It's not working. And the same thing goes for this Toby as well. Battery contacts are dirty, corroded, and on the bottom as well. So we're gonna Put that to the side too. Now we'll fix up some of these and sell them. Now onto these 3. Now this Henry doesn't have a switch, so we're gonna put that in the non-working section. This Henry, let's see if he works. And I can actually only make 1 custom as a slot, and we won't be able to do anything about this. We might just have to replace the tender because how bad that has corroded like that. So we're gonna put them off to a non-working section. Now, this Henry, and he works. He works like he's supposed to. Now, onto this, I think it's Don or Douglas, but it doesn't matter what we call it. So, here's this. Now, I'm gonna give this one to Douglas as his new motor. Now, the next engines we're about to test is these bends. One of the traction rods done broke off. Battery contacts are a little dirty. Same on that side. Let's see if he works. It does have a loose gear a little bit. I think it might be the strength of it. Let's see if he works though. Nope, he doesn't work. So, non-working section for bend. Now onto this bend. And the traction rods are popping off. And that screw stripped, so we're gonna call that as non-working. A little bit of battery contact. And this one doesn't, I don't think this one's gonna work. Let's see if we can. Doesn't work. Put that one in the non-working section. That's the working section, and that's the non-working section. So we're actually almost done here. This bend, that one has corrosion, so it doesn't work. And most of these are missing screws, and I got some replacement screws so I can put them inside them. But let's see if he works. And this one just popped off. Oh, one of them is working. There's a broken gear, but we can fix that. So, working section. Now, dispenser and stuff. And it's have a lot of dust on the back, and the battery terminal just broke off, so corrosion. So let's see if the stepper works. And it's really dirty on the inside, but we're gonna see this. Oh, you hear that? It works, but I think it's because it's because all that dirt and sand's blocking it. Because all that dirt and sand's blocking the motor, so we're gonna have to clean it all out. Now we just only got 7 more we need to test. These 2 Donalds. Battery contact's a little dirty, but let's see if he works. Yep, he works. So now we're gonna test this Douglas. No, Donald, why did I say Douglas? Let's see if he works, if this one works. So he works. That's a weak gear. Yeah, he works regardless. Now onto this. I think this is from like a James or something, but we're gonna test it anyway. He works. As a matter of fact, I think this one would actually. Yeah, that's actually a new battery, but that one works. Now onto this James here. Ooh, this James runs really nicely, and it's in good condition. Well, he's making that weird speeding up, and I don't know what he was just doing, but let's continue with these last three. Let's see if this James works. And nope, and the switch is stuck, so it's not gonna. So we're gonna call that as non-working. Now onto this Henry. Yeah, he worked. Now, the last one I got is Elizabeth. I know she's got to work. She works, but it has a little bit of corrosion on the battery compartment, but yeah, it was just running, and that just stopped. But therefore, we're done with all the testing with the engines. All right, so there you guys have it. This is the area with all the non-working engines. No, these are area with the working engines, and this area is with the non-working engines. And those parts over there, I can use those for like replacements and customs. Those coaches, I already got plans for those. But overall, this was a nice little lot I've gotten. Really worked the lot. So in the meantime, I will be fixing these engines right over here. See if I can get these up and running like they should. And these engines, gonna need a little bit of work as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there for this video.